Good morning, Odell Dragons, and welcome to your WROP News. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, 2019. It is day 4 of Week B, which is FitLab and Makerspace Week. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now it's time for Tuesday Trivia. This week's question has to do with a holiday that was yesterday. In addition to being Memorial Day, yesterday was Sunscreen Protection Day. So I would like to know, what does SPF stand for? It's on every bottle of sunscreen and it has different numbers. So what does SPF stand for? If you think you know the answer, make sure you write down that answer and get it into our Tuesday Trivia Bowl. There are only a few more Tuesday Trivias left for this year, so good luck! Your weather today is a high of 96 degrees with sunny skies and a 0% chance of rain. The wind may be from 10 to 15 miles per hour, but it is going to be a hot, hot day. So make sure that you're drinking lots of water after you're playing outside. Tonight's overnight low is 67 degrees.
Good morning and happy Tuesday. I know that it's not Monday, but I still wanted to give you a little bit of motivation to read. And that's because it's robot time. What that means is it's time for us to return our books on time. So there is a board out near the back playground. It looks like this. And I will be updating it every day to reflect, to show how many books each class has checked out. So make sure you're keeping an eye on that board because there's a challenge. And that is that the first class from each team, that means there will be 6 winners total. The first class from each team to get all of their library books back will win a prize. And not just the kids. Teachers, you will also get a prize if you are the first class on your team to return all of their library books. So keep that in mind. Whenever your class gets all of their books returned, no matter what order they are in, as long as they all come back, even if you're not first, you will get a really cool certificate, a really cool thing to hang on your door saying, hey, we did it, we're amazing, and I'm really excited about that. And there is one more thing. If 30 out of the 37 classes here at Odell Primary return all of their library books, can you guys keep a secret? Are you sure? All right. If 30 out of the 37 classes return all of their library books, I'm going to dye my hair pink for the rest of the school year. Oh my gosh, it will be so crazy. So make sure you are looking for your books and bringing them back. We'll check in each day until the end of the year to see if people are bringing their books back. All right, let's switch gears and think about some summer reading. Now, I haven't given you guys information on summer reading yet. You guys will get that at our Get Set for Summer book swap, which is super duper cool. So what that is this week, you can bring in up to 5. You don't have to bring in 5. You can bring in 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, but that's the most amount. You can bring in up to 5 gently used books for our swap. What gently used means is that there's no coloring in the books, there's no tears, like it's actually a pretty good book that somebody else could read. Because how it works is for each book you bring to the swap, you will get 1 ticket. And that 1 ticket will be able you will be able to use that ticket to get a different book. So I'm putting all of the books that everybody from Odell brings together. I'm going to sort them out by picture books, chapter books, graphic novels, and nonfiction. And you will get a chance to shop from those books. And you get to take those home and keep them. So it's kind of like a book fair, but kind of different because it's all going to be books that your classmates, your schoolmates have brought in to swap. Now, the most important thing, though, is to make sure that your grown-ups say it's okay. On the flyer that went home last week, there is a spot for your grown-up to write in the names of those 5 books that you want to swap. And that's just so your teachers and I know that you're not just bringing random books to school. Your moms and dads actually know that you're going to swap them out. Teachers, this is a note for you. Make sure you're listening. Don't forget to sign up for a time to shop. It was in that Wakelet. It was in that little newsletter that I sent out earlier this week. I'll resend it out so you can remember, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys don't forget, because if you don't sign up to shop, nobody can get new books. When the books come in, make sure, teachers, that you check them, give them a once-over, make sure that they're okay, make sure that there's no writing or torn pages and all that good stuff. And then once you've recorded it on your yellow teacher sheet, hang on to that orange slip with the names of the books on it, just so that we don't get confused. And then you can go ahead and send just the books to the library. I have a bin right here for you to check them or just put them in, and then I can sort them onto the tables. And the tables look like this. I am really excited for you guys to participate in our summer book swap. I will be back next week giving you more information about our summer reading and all of that good stuff. I can't wait.